is going to be Rodney on the 1, followed by John on the 2, Bill on the 3, Glenn on the 4, Willie on the 5, and Dan. Got our marshals out there from the rookie race, please. Thanks, guys. Kyle, can you move over, right over here in the middle? Oh, that's okay. Kaden, can you come over here in the middle over here? Okay, you're good over there. Thank you. Alright guys. Marshals are in place. Drivers, let's have a clean first lap. And go at the sound of the tone. Here we go. Easy guys, easy guys. Oh, just wait for him right there. Oh yeah, go, go, go. Woo. It's like ice road truckers out there.
After 1 minute, the top drivers are Rodney and Toledo in first place, followed by Bill Lynn in second place, followed by John Hartern in third place.
So we have Glenn on the 4, Dan and Willie. Rodney, fast lap 17.7, followed by Bill's 18.4, John 19.5, Glenn 19.6, Dan 19.4, and Willie 20.1.
After 2 minutes, the top drivers are Rodney and Toledo in first place, followed by Bill Lynn in second place, followed by John Hartern in third place.
Turn that down, turn that to go. Got Rodney, oh, helping on the side here. Rodney, Bill, John, Dan, Glenn, and Lily. Rodney clicking in a 17.7 fast lap.
After 3 minutes, the top drivers are Rodney and Toledo in first place, followed by Bill Lynn in second place, followed by John Hartern in third place.
Freight train straight away. Rodney's coming through the field now. Yellow and blue cars are leader. 3.5 down, 1.5 to go. Oh, Rodney clicked in a new fast lap of 17.4. Coming up on a minute, drivers.
1 minute or minutes, the The top drivers are Rodney and Toledo in first place, followed by Bill Lynn in second place, followed by John Hartern in third place. "45 seconds left. "30 seconds left.
30 seconds go. Rodney, Bill, John, Dan, Glenn, and Willie.
Seconds left. Rodney and Toledo done.